Hello, my name is Daniel McCarthy. I'm the Director of Cocktail and Beverage for the Iconic Collection. Welcome to the Duke. All right, you guys, today we are going to be making the High Society. We're going to start with a hefty pour of Absolute Elix vodka. Love, time, and patience are what goes into our house-made grenadine. We're gonna try and balance this all out by adding a splash of lime juice for acidity. And then we're going to give it a really nice hefty shake. Really strain nicely. Lastly, we add a little magic. A little dry ice to kind of help give the illusion of the high society, that luster, that magic, and that feel. And it's always refreshing.